What does a typical day look like in your job?
I'm a bilingual educator at the Museum of Science. So my job is kind of like split in two. Half of my job is working with high school students in a bunch of different ways, whether that's planning events with them or helping them facilitate activities. The other half of my job is more being on the floor and being face-to-face with visitors. So that includes doing activities on the floor, whether it be engineering activities in our Hall of Human Life. So I get to do biology-related activities, which I enjoy because that's part of my background. In our field station, I get to take out some skulls and ask visitors if they think it's a predator or prey. It's a bunch of fun stuff that I get to do and just be able to help visitors, whether it be a really young child or adult, learn about all that we have at the museum. That's a lot of what my job looks like. So I feel like there's no one typical day, but just to be able to really help people appreciate and love science as much as I do is so exciting.